unboxing. It's a huge box, as you see. For some reason, I feel like it's a little bigger than our summer one, but I may be making that up. So I'm so excited to go in and show what I received. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. This month they have Meghan Trainor on the front, the magazine, and there's a code for money off of your first box if any of you want to use that. Then we have another $80 gift card for HelloFresh. Alright, let's start off with the biggest thing that I see here, which was a customization. It's a hair straightener by Amika. Comes in this nice little pouch. It says it's the Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. It says have a good hair day every day. The 100% ceramic plates generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. It says it retails $80. So we've already, with the first item, got a lot more than what we actually paid for. It comes in here nicely wrapped. It's this pretty like salmon peach color. Seems like a nice iron. I can't wait to try it out. It does have inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, the on-off switch and a temperature gauge in there, which is nice. Not all straighteners have that. And then we have by Skinvolve their Body Boost Gel. It says menthol and green tea, toned, firm, smooth, pre-workout activator. This I was very curious about. I saw where some other people got it. I've seen things like this before, but I've never actually used it. It says formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin, and it retails for $45. That's very interesting. I'll have to test that out and see what it does. And then we have by Nassif M&D Dermaceuticals their Detox Pad Complexion Perfecting Pads. Comes with 60 pads, it says. It says just a few swipes of the cleansing pad deep cleans, exfoliates, and firms your skin's appearance while softening lines and wrinkles. And it says it retails for $45 as well. And we have by Human and Kind Skincare with the Conscious their Body Souffle. It's a big bottle of it, 6.76 fluid ounce. It says lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. It says it retails for $18. Then we have something that I love getting. We have eye masks. These are by Wonder Beauty. They're Magic Clean Gold eye mask. And we have a pack of 6 pairs of those. It says these eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin and offer a cooling effect. It says it's $25, I'm guessing, for the 6 of them. I'm thinking about doing a video on these just to see like a before and after. So I like using eye mask when I'm going out somewhere special before doing my makeup. So I'll probably do that. And we have next by Aveda their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling. It says on that it's infused with quinoa, I may not be saying that right, protein, macadamia oil, and soil. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. It says it retails for $30. Then we have by Harper and Ari their exfoliating sugar cubes. Juice Cleanse Sugar Exfoliant. I've never seen exfoliant in cubes. It actually looks like real sugar cubes, but with a green tint. And they have like a watermelon fresh scent. Says these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent, and they retail for $16. I'll definitely give that a try before and after I do my next self-tan and see how that works. Next thing I got was a customization. It's the Baublitz Farah ear crawlers, earrings. Very pretty. It says, from the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouette, these earrings are absolute showstoppers, and they retail for $34. So I would definitely get used out of those. My type of thing. I just hope that they're not a pair that falls down a lot with the ear crawlers. Sometimes that's a problem, so we'll see. And that was all I got in my fall box, guys. If you got anything different that you're enjoying, leave me a comment below. And I'll also have the link down below if you want to subscribe to Fab Fit Fun. It is a seasonal box, so it's not in every month. So it's nice to get a variety of different types of things. Like sometimes they'll even throw household type of items, lifestyle, fitness, different things in there. And it is nice that you get to customize a couple of your products every season. If you liked the video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.